Everything is current. Now go on about your business and go harass somebody else.
I'm actually doing my job, sir.
Yeah, of course you are.
The vehicle. I'll be right back.
Welcome back to San Joaquin Valley Transparency, where I bring you police interaction videos and how to hold your police and public officials accountable for the mistakes that they make. And don't forget that they work for you. So make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and all that good stuff. Thank you.
I've been working for the devil too long. I've been working for the devil too long. I'm gone. Yeah.
What you want?
Hello, Officer Alvin Everest Metro.
Yeah, what's the problem?
Are you Thaddeus?
No, I'm Thaddeus. What you want?
Oh, you are?
Yeah, what you want?
Okay. Because your license is real.
Okay, and what?
And
why y'all always pulling my truck over, dude?
I just explained why. Any more questions?
I'm getting sick of y'all pulling my... I done had other vehicles registered in my name. This the only one y'all mess with at all times.
I don't know if you saw me sitting out running plates of all the vehicles.
I don't care about that shit. I'm getting sick of y'all messing with me.
I'm trying to explain why I stopped you.
Okay, well, you see I'm not driving, so go on about your goddamn business. Shit.
Is this your current address?
Yes.
Do you have the IED? Excellent. Do you have insurance on the vehicle?
Yes, I do.
Your card with you?
You got to pull it up on your phone. I'm getting sick of y'all. I'm going to file another goddamn harassment complaint against you and your goddamn department again. This will be number 3.
Okay.
All these goddamn people running around y'all goddamn truck. Everything is current. Now go on about your business and go harass somebody else.
I'm actually doing my job, sir.
Yeah, of course you are.
The vehicle. I'll be right back.
You said your license revoked.
That's what they trying to say now.
Since when?
That night with that bullshit, but they finna give me my shit right back.
Have a good day, guys.
Yeah, bye. Get the fuck out of here.